Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and we are off-roading. Well, not really, but there's nobody else on the road. It's about 3-4 inches deep, snow. We have a bad winter weather advisory going on. I think it was called an advisory, but we were blessed with a Jeep, four-wheel drive Jeep, and we're going to church. Nothing's gonna stop us on this day. It is amazing. I like it. I love the Jeep. Anyway, here it's not as deep as it was at home.
Well, oh no.
Looks like we're gonna detour and help somebody out a minute, guys. Well, Melanie, pause the video or stop the video. Let's go.
Well, we're just stopping here. Troy is helping some other people that got to off the road. Right, Troy?
Hey.
Are they good?
I don't know. It's in there pretty good, but we're gonna find out.
Okay. Hopefully they will be fine, and hopefully we are gonna get, so fast to help them. Hopefully there's no problem at all. So stay tuned.
Let me get attention. Tell me when.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go.
Oh no. Father God, please.
I'm gonna give you a little light jerk.
Jesus Christ, help these people. Jesus Christ, we're praying that this is going to be Jesus' name.
I'm gonna back up a little, and I'm gonna readjust the Jeep.
What? Ooh. Hopefully he is going to help us here, because we're really I don't know, hopefully they're gonna be fixed and they will help someone in here. Yeah. So what's going on?
I'm gonna line up better with him.
Okay. I hope it's good in the Jeep.
Smart. Back up a little bit.
What?
I'm gonna bump it.
Ouch. Ah! Be careful.
Come on, 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 come on.
Please help.
Woohoo! We did it! Were you recording?
Yeah. Oh. Thank you, God. Yeah. Praise God. They were take off that from the other side of the road. I mean now. Oh, that's good.
Give me my camera. Well, here, guys, is a hole we pulled them out of. That was bad. Oh, I don't know if the camera shows that. That was deep. That was really bad, that hole. Well, we got them out, so there was a good reason we came today. We're still going to go on our way to try to make it to church, but we did our good deed. Oh, I love my Jeep. Wow, that's insane. We did it. The whole thing made it for us. Alright, back to church. Well, guys, we're still heading off to church. This road has been plowed, so it's maybe an inch or two on here now. Not too bad. We're cruising at 45 miles an hour in four-wheel drive. Taking it easy and safe. But we'll get there. Just having a good day, and you know, it feels good to be able to help somebody out with a Jeep. They were slipping a little bit. We had a little bit of ice last night and freezing rain, and then we had snow on top of that. Without the Jeep, we wouldn't be going anywhere. And it's really good to be able to get out, to be able to do this. So I'm happy. When we get done with the day, we're obviously going to do some shopping and stuff afterwards, because we might as well make use of the trip. When we're done, the roads are going to be really bad, and it's going to be quite a challenge. So we'll see what this thing can do. It's HD. Look at my wipers building up again. You still recording?
I was just thinking that I should record.
Oh, okay.
Camera is good.
Camera is good. The wipers are icing up again. That's my only complaint. Have to stop. The only problem I have, I always have to stop and clean off the ice off the end of the wiper. You can show it on yours. Show the camera on the ice.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Oh, there's a people have an accident again. I think they hit one tree and the tree fall in the ground. So hopefully they're fine. Oh wow. Hopefully the driver and the passenger, they're fine. So bad. Now there's an ambulance to help them. I'm not really sure what's going on right now. I'm really worried.